Dinosaur Story. Animal teeth. Hello everyone. This time, we are going to learn about animal teeth. Dinosaur teeth will be covered in the next story. If we have to pick one of the most important skeletal specimens, it would of course be teeth. The skull has a lot of information, and among them, teeth are the most important part that allows us to guess the type of food and life pattern. Tooth structure. Teeth are divided into three main parts. The crown is the part exposed outside the gum and is made up of very hard enamel and dentine. The part embedded in the alveolar bone below the gum is called the root. The pulp is the space in the middle of the tooth through which blood vessels and nerves pass. Teeth attachment. We easily think of teeth embedded in gums, because our teeth are shaped like this. However, there are various ways in which the teeth of animals are combined with the jawbones. The teeth of cartilaginous fish, such as sharks, are not embedded in the jawbone, but attached to the skin. These teeth are arranged in several rows. The teeth of bony fish are attached directly to the jawbone, but they are attached obliquely, and the connection is weak. The teeth of lizard are also attached directly to the jawbone. However, the bond is weak because it is not rooted. The teeth of reptiles such as crocodiles, dinosaurs, and mammals are rooted deep into the jawbone, just like humans. It is the most strongly bonded form. Teeth replacement. As children grow up, they lose their milk teeth and get new permanent teeth. This type of teeth replacement also appears in other mammals and mammal-like reptiles. This is called diffudont. On the other hand, other vertebrates continue to lose and renew their teeth throughout their lives. This type of teeth is called polyphyodont. Even in polyphyodont, not all teeth fall out at once and grow new. Even and odd rows of teeth replacement take place alternately, or the growth stages of the teeth are all different. So, it does not happen that all teeth fall out at once. Sharks replace their teeth every 1 to 2 weeks, and they lose more than 30,000 teeth in their lifetime. So many of their teeth are found as fossils. But tooth fossils of the mega-sized extinct megalodon are not very common. Teeth differentiation. Mammalian teeth have different shapes depending on their location. For example, human teeth are divided into incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. This type of teeth is called heterodont. On the other hand, fish, amphibians, and reptiles have teeth of almost the same shape without distinction, and this type of teeth is called homodont. Alligators and crocodiles have typical homodonts. Let's take a brief look at their teeth. In alligators, the teeth of the lower jaw are not visible when the jaw is closed, but in crocodiles, the teeth of the lower jaw are visible even when the jaw is closed. Gavials and caimans also have similar teeth, but they look different in external appearance, so it's not hard to tell them apart. Mammals have teeth of different shapes. The front teeth are called incisors. They are used to cut or tear food. The sharp fangs are called canines. There are premolars behind the canines. In herbivores or omnivores, premolars are wide and flat and used for grinding or crushing food. But carnivores have sharp premolars suitable for cutting flesh. The molars look like the premolars but are stronger. In most mammals, differentiation of teeth is observed, but exceptional cases are also common. The teeth of dolphins and killer whales are almost same regardless of their location. Anteaters have no teeth. Instead, they hunt ants with their long tongues. Baleen whales also have no teeth. Instead, they have baleen, bristle-like keratinous plates that filter out very small prey like krill, while inhaling water. The blue whale, a species of baleen, eats more than a ton of krill a day. Teeth arrangement. All teeth in humans are arranged in contact with adjacent teeth, but in mammals, it is common for teeth to be spaced apart. In this structure, the premolars and molars in the back are called cheek teeth, and the gap between canines and cheek teeth is called diastema. Incisors. Incisors are used to cut or tear apart food. They are usually small, but very large and uniquely developed in some cases. For example, the horn of a narwhal is the left incisor of the upper jaw. The tusks of elephants and the front teeth of beavers are highly developed form of incisors of the upper jaw. Canines. The saber-toothed tiger is a typical animal with long canines. But the canines of walrus are also big. Even water deer, a herbivore, has long fangs. The large, curved teeth of warthogs are developed from canines, too. Cheek teeth. Cheek teeth, premolars and molars, can be classified into 3 types according to their shape and function. Carnassials are knife-like teeth for cutting meat. Compression teeth are found in omnivores and herbivores. It is suitable for breaking hard fruit. Grinding teeth look like a millstone. They are used for grinding tough plant fibers into small pieces to make them easier to eat. The cheek teeth of carnivores such as dogs and cats are designed to interlock sharply, like scissors. In particular, the last premolars of the upper jaw and the first molars of the lower jaw are interlocked to cut off the flesh. It's a typical form of carnassial. The cheek teeth of elephants and mammoths are unique. Several teeth are fused together and form a large mass with multiple roots. Enamel and dentine are arranged alternately, making it look like a grater or a millstone. It is effective for shredding coarse plant fibers. Tooth wear. Since humans eat cooked soft food, tooth wear is not a big problem. However, in herbivores that eat tough plants, tooth wear is a serious problem. Moreover, while grazing, they may bite sand or gravel as well. It is impossible to withstand such a harsh environment with ordinary teeth. So how do they face with these issues? Herbivores overcome this problem with long teeth. The exposed part outside the gum does not look long, but there is a very long root hidden in the alveolar bone. When the teeth are worn out, the parts buried in the alveolar bone gradually come up and can be used for a long time. This type of tooth is called hypsodont. Beavers' front teeth have long roots inside their skulls, just like horses' teeth, and they grow throughout their life. But the outside of the beaver's teeth is wrapped in enamel, and the inside is made up only of dentine. Because of this structure, the tip of the tooth forms a sharp cutting edge. Teeth age. We can roughly guess the age of an animal through their teeth. For example, in cross-sections of elephant or mammoth tusk, we can see growth lines like tree rings. This is due to the difference in growth rate according to the season. Horses have long teeth to cope with tooth wear. As a horse ages, its teeth gradually shorten, and the shape of the tooth cross-section varies depending on the degree of wear. So, we can estimate the age by looking at the cross-section of worn teeth. Elephants and mammoths spend a lifetime of 60 to 70 years with a total of 6 cheek teeth. Only 2 of these are always used, and the rest are buried in the back of the jawbone. So, it is possible to estimate the age of an elephant or mammoth based on the arrangement and number of these teeth. Dental formula. The dental formula is an easy way to express the number and arrangement of teeth. Based on one side of the upper and lower jaws, it is expressed using the first letter of the English alphabet and numbers for each tooth. The dental formula is basically a method used in dentistry to represent human teeth. However, it is also used in animal teeth. For example, a bobcat's teeth can also be expressed with a dental formula. Dinosaur quiz. What kind of teeth are the mammoth's tusk modified from? Number 1 incisors. Number 2 canines. Number 3 premolars. Number 4 molars. The answer is incisors. The tusks of elephants and mammoths are large second incisors of the upper jaw. That's it for today. See you next time. Thank you.